is a very in the 2018 Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector for APPSC, there were about 18 questions were asked from only this particular topic. Of course, they had a very big syllabus for emission control, but even for Tspsc also, this is a very important topic. You can expect minimum 2 or 3 questions. So per topic, even if one question is given, that's a great thing, right? So because there is a huge syllabus is there, right? Approximately 8 topics are there. From 8 topics for 150 questions, you can expect approximately 18 questions. So in every topic there are 18 minimum topics are there. So on an average, we can expect one question out of the one subtopic of the main topic. So if you are getting 2 or 3 questions for this emission control, is it not a big thing? Yes. So let us see some good questions from emission control in this particular video. Alright friends. So apart from hydrocarbons, the main pollutants in the engine exhaust are CO and NOx. CO and NOx. Right. Maximum allowable hydrocarbons in the car emissions are approximately, this is 100 ppm. ppm means parts per million. Right. CO in the exhaust of car engine should not be more than, how much this should be? This should not be more than 0.5%, not even 1%. It is not tolerable. Right. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve, PCV means positive crankcase ventilation valve, is located between which of these two components? It is located between intake manifold and crankcase. Intake manifold and crankcase. In case of engine backfiring, the PCV valve closes. Friends, some questions are repeated. However, we will pass them very fastly. Closes. The position of PCV, positive crank ventilation valve plunger, at ideal speed is, it is towards the valve outlet side. Towards the valve outlet side. Right. The function of charcoal granules is to absorb the petrol vapor. The liquid vapor separator is located near the, where it is located? It is located near the fuel tank. Fuel tank. EGR system. EGR here means exhaust gas recirculation system. It is employed for controlling the emission of what? Which of the pollutants? It is for NOx. X can take the values of 1, 2, 3. NO, NO2 and even NO3 also. So for 1, 2, 3 has given just X. The pump for the air injection system is of, it is of vane type. It is of vane type. Right. The main purpose of the diverter valve in the air injection system is to what? For which purpose this is used? This is used to prevent backfire in the exhaust system. Backfire in the exhaust system. The catalyst used in the reduction converter is, what is this? This is your rhodium. They are all catalytic converters. In the catalytic converters, the pollutants are either removed by the oxidation process or reduction process. The catalyst used in the reduction converter is rhodium. The catalyst used in the converter for oxidizing HC, unburnt hydrocarbons, and CO, carbon monoxide, is platinum. So please remember, make a distinction between these two. In a three-way converter, there are basically two types of catalytic converters, friends. Two-way converter and three-way converter. Two-way converters only remove two pollutants, but whereas three-way converters remove three pollutants. What are the main pollutants? Unburned hydrocarbons, CO and NO. Right. In a three-way converter, the first converter controls. Right. There are three converters in series. So what is that element which is controlled by the first converter? It is in fact NOx. The air-fuel ratio required for the efficient operation of three-way converter is approximately, it is 15:1. That means at approximately 14.5 or 15:1. So 14.5 is the chemically correct air-fuel ratio. Yes or not? It is also called stoichiometric air-fuel ratio, right? So at this ratio, it is going to operate at the maximum efficiency. So there is something called converter efficiency, catalytic converter efficiency also. It is a function of temperature as well as air-fuel ratio. But the air-fuel ratio should be in and around your approximately chemically correct air-fuel ratio, that is 14.5:1 or approximately 15:1. The correct answer is 15:1. For which of the following the non-dispersive infrared analyzer is used to measure? So these questions please remember very carefully, friends. 16, 17 and 18. So for which of the following the non-dispersive infrared NDIR analyzer is used to measure? It is used to measure CO2. For which of the following the flame ionization detector FID is used to measure? This is your HC, hydrocarbons. So make a distinction between these three important things, analyzers, right? For which of the following the chemiluminescence analyzer is used to measure? Here it is NOx. So please make a distinction between question number 16, 17, 18. That is your infrared analyzer, flame ionization analyzer and chemiluminescence analyzer. What for they are used, right? And what for they are used to measure, right? The main purpose of the diverter valve in the injection system is to, once again friends, these are the repeated questions, anyhow we'll skip it very fast. Prevent the backfire in the exhaust system. The function of charcoal granules is to absorb, once again let us repeat, it is petrol vapor. Exhaust gas recirculation system, EGR system, is employed for controlling the emission of, this is your NOx out of the three pollutants, HC, unburned HC, UHC and CO and NOx. EGR system is employed for controlling the emissions of NOx. Which of the following causes the photochemical smog? This is a very, very important question. This is your soot and particulate matter. Sorry friends, it is NOx and HC. It is NOx and HC. What does the blue smoke? There are basically three types of smokes: blue smoke, white smoke and black smoke. So what does the blue smoke in the diesel engine indicate? It is the unburnt oil. If your oil is unburnt, lubricating oil, so which is used to reduce the friction between the mechanical parts. Yes, definitely we are lubricating with lubricating oil, right? One of the oil is castor oil, which has got some, it is a vegetable oil, right? So it is unburnt oil which is responsible for your blue smoke in the diesel engines. Why is the fumigation technique used? Why it is used? To control the smoke. Fumes means smoke only, another name for smokes. So this is a special technique used to control the smoke. The correct answer is to control the smoke. Okay friends, in this video we have seen few basic questions on the emissions and controls, exhaust emission control. So in the next video We are going to meet with another good video with a good topic. All the best.